Welcome back to Design CS channel. In this video, I am back with popular and most useful tips and tricks on Figma. So, here we go. Number 1. Style copy. You can copy the style from one shape to another shape by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and C, and, to paste, press Ctrl, Shift, and V. In this way, you can apply same effects in different shapes in Figma. Number 2. Create vector. To make a vector in Figma, first go to top bar and select Union Selection. In Union Selection, you can edit shapes, but it is not a vector yet, so now press Ctrl and E to make a vector in Figma. Number 3. Move up and down in layer. If you are working on a project where you have created many layers, then it will be hard to arrange them in order. So in Figma you can move the layers up and down by pressing Ctrl open square bracket and Ctrl close square bracket to move up and down in Figma. Number 4. Proportional scaling. In Figma, if you scale the layer, it will scale up the layer in distort way. So to scale up the layer in proportional way, you need to press K and scale up the layer. Number 5. Smart selection. If you are working on multiple groups and frames, then Smart Selection comes on handy. You can reorganize the groups and arrange the margins and spacing between them. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and please write suggestion on comment box below. I will be back soon with more tutorial video. Till then, stay safe and thank you.